Physics, waves are have an interesting position because they occur everywhere in physics, and yet waves have nothing to do with physical law per se. Waves are the consequence of physical laws, but we don't have physical laws in classical physics. The rules of physics are conservation of water, which means if I push the water together, it's going to go up in the swimming pool, and Newton's law of F equals ma, which is if I push harder on this side than on this side, the water is going to accelerate in that direction. That's the only physics we put in here. What we're going to do is we're going to drive the swimming pool at its resonant frequency. We have designed the pendulum of destiny so that its period is 1/4 of what we think the period of the swimming pool is going to be. So what we're going to do is we're going to put energy into the swimming pool. When you get in the water, the swimming pool is pushing up on you, and you are pushing down on the water, equal and opposite, okay? So if the water is going down and you're in the water, you're pushing on the water down. When the water comes up again, it does the work back on you, and you're even. But if you're not in the water, the energy doesn't come back out. So what's the rule? Very simple. Go in when the water is high, get out when the water is low. It's just the opposite of doing the stock market. So how we're going to do this, our volunteers are going to line up here. Jim is going to operate the pendulum of destiny. When he says in, we're going to go in. Now, when you go in up to your neck, because the more of you get in the water, the better you're doing. More buoyant force. When you get out, you try to get out as much as you can.
On your marks. In.